Alright, so excuse the fact I have no top on and just the vest. It's fucking boiling. But today we are going to go climb. Today we're gonna go climb up a quarry and get some sick pictures there. I'm gonna document the journey as I go up there because it's quite high and I think it's gonna be interesting to watch. And hopefully the pictures come out alright because it's really, really sunny. I think it's gonna screw up the edits. But fuck it, we'll see, won't we? So the fit's gonna be including this vest, and then this cool techno top. I'll leave a description, leave a link to that in the description, and then the grey pants from Black Taylor. And we're going for like a, I don't know, like a grey black, because the quarry's like all white, so I thought that would be quite fitting. So, without anything else to do, let's go help this quarry. Okay, so we've arrived at the location of where we're gonna climb. It's up this massive quarry. Now, we're going up there essentially. So I'm gonna show you on the journey. I put a top on finally. And let's hope I don't fucking die when I get up there. So let's go. Right, all over the way. Oh my god. Can I run up it? Come. What? Come on. We gotta go up there. This is a stream, G. It's it's so sloppy. He fucking ran it. No! He ran in the stream. Bro, that's grim. That is grim. All along, it's over there somewhere. I don't know where it is. And then we'll come through here. So we're now at stop number 1. As you can see, there's a giant lake there, and there's the quarry. We've still got a little bit of a way to go. Essentially, we're going all the way over there. You'll see it more as we go along. But now got to climb through there, which is a really thin path, and we got quick face one. All right. Let's go. Ow! There's so much shit here. Hey. We can keep going through, innit? What way? That's a good question. Left? Wait, what way did we go last time? I think you go left here. No, there's a bit we have to go left. We're currently trying to fucking figure out our way through this mess. Ow! Ah! I hate having long hair. Come a little stop area before we have to continue on through there. Let's hope it's worth it for these pictures. Let's hope for that. Oh, there's bare thorns here, you know. Oh, the socks. Ow. Okay. Ow. This is the cons of wearing shit like this. Oh my days. No. I think that could be a sick picture actually. Across that, it's not too bad, but still, let's go. So we're at the second stop at the top of like a road thing. You can't really see it, but let's continue on. But there's more we have to go through. The only oh fuck! Oh my god! The only problem is my hair gets caught on everything. So let's keep going. Alright, so we've got to cross this bit next. Uzi's already done it. Just that guy. But yeah, we just fucking. As you can see, it's a fucking bit of a drop, really. Oh my god. Wasn't that easy? So we're at the next part. It's quite high up, as you can tell. We've still got a way to go. We've got to go around that rock and over there, and that will be the shoot spot. You can't even see me. That will be the shoot spot, and hopefully the pictures come out okay. So let's fucking continue. Fuck! Oh god! And then just run up in it. Get like a shot of the whole scene. They come up to me. Alright, stop number 3, 4, I don't know. We're almost there. We got to go over there. The scenery is looking peng right now. It's a nice day. Hopefully, there's shit all in my hair though. Look at my hair. It's not going well. But yeah. Wait, hold on. Oh my god, this is all gonna be through my hair! Almost there. Got some nice cherry blossom trees or whatever they are. It's a long way down. So yeah. It. I don't know if the photos came out good because I sort of fucked them up. But so we got the photos done. I'll see if I like them. If not, you just came on a journey with me. Now to descend. We're now on the descent. I fucked my hair so bad. I'm actually in so much pain. I'll record when I get to the bottom because this hurts too much. Keep getting fucking put in my hair. We're coming up to this slide bit, so I'll record it. We'll record it when we fucking go down. Ow. So we're down there, Cluesy off your pop. We've got to slide down this hill thing. Where the sippy falls. He's gone. I'm bricking it already. Run straight down the bushes. Huh? Oh, that's not the. Oh. Alright, it's a little bit odd. Alright, come on, Kuzi, down you go. Run down it? Yeah, go on. For the tube. Oh, imagine me just stacked it and slapped his face. Now it's my turn to run down this. Let's hope I don't fucking slip. We were just up there, now we're at the bottom. It's so cool here. I fucking love it. Yeah. Right, come here on your bikes, do whatever you want, it's so cool. I'm gonna shoot again, just because this bit's probably a bit better to shoot in. So I'm gonna do that now. To leave the quarry. We were up there, it's pretty sick, running around, but let's go and then I'll finish off the video. That's again where we was, up there. all over there. It looks so small on camera, but I swear to you, it's not small. But now it's time to walk. Alright, so we're back. I'm about to edit the pictures, or have a look at the pictures. So I'm going to show you some of them now. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. I've got my iced coffee, and I'm ready to edit these pictures. Some of the pictures, there's not all of just me, there's some of my friend, but yeah. I'll close it off here. Thank you for watching. I know it was a bit of a weird one, a bit of a short one, where I didn't really do too much. I more of just explored a quarry and just mucked around, but I hope you enjoyed it. I was trying to get some photos up there. I've got plenty on my phone, so I'll probably stick a few up somewhere. So if you want to see more stuff like this, let me know, because I don't mind going and exploring places. I think it's pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and definitely tell me if you want more like this, because it was fun.